Now, Naidu's grand political comeback is in fact all set to become a reality as he takes oath as Chief Minister tomorrow. But was really the game changer for Naidu his jail term? Did that really turn things in his favour? Let's get you those details in our next report. "53 days in jail. 53 days that perhaps changed his political fortunes. Chandrababu Naidu at the age of 73 was sent behind bars in September 2023 with a series of cases slapped against him, including a skill development case. And many say it was the arrest that has proven to be a turning point for Naidu in the fight for Andhra Pradesh. On the 9th of September, in the wee hours of the day, Chandrababu Naidu was arrested. There were no details of why he was taken into custody. With Chandrababu Naidu behind bars, his family stepped into the political spotlight. His wife Bhuvaneshwari and son Nara Lokesh led the fight against Naidu's arrest.
I'll never forget those 53 days. It was quite a terrible period because I was in no state of mind. Because I know how Chandrababu Naidu garu worked for the people. He never thought of corruption at all. And that's why I am very proud as a family we are able to stand in public where no one can question us about whether we did corruption or not. They know better.
One of the most decisive moments was when Pawan Kalyan visited Naidu in jail and pledged his allegiance to the fight against YSRCP.
ఈ రోజు నేను నిర్ణయం తీసుకున్నాను. జనసేన తెలుగుదేశం కలిసి వెళ్తాయి వచ్చే ఎన్నికల్లో. ఇది మా ఇద్దరి భవిష్యత్తుకు సంబంధించింది కాదు. మా ఇద్దరి భవిష్యత్తుకు సంబంధించి ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ భవిష్యత్తుకు సంబంధించింది.
After 53 days in Rajamundry jail, Naidu finally walked out to an emotional reunion with his family.
45 సంవత్సరాల నా సుదీర్ఘ రాజకీయ చరిత్రలో నేను ఏ తప్పు చేయలేదు, ఏ తప్పు చేయనేను, ఎవరిని కూడా అలో చేయను. అది ఇంతవరకు నేను చేసినటువంటి నిబద్ధత. అందుకని మరొక్కసారి రాష్ట్రంలో ఉండే ప్రపంచం మొత్తం ఉండే తెలుగు వారందరికీ నన్ను అభినందిస్తూ నాకు సహకారం అందించినటువంటి భారతీయులందరికీ.
Chandrababu Naidu's supporters poured out in large numbers to protest his arrest, and even today many say this was the turning point in the election.
మాకిది 5 years మేము పడిన కష్టం. చంద్రబాబుని అరెస్ట్ చేసిన పెద్ద తప్పు చేశాడు జగన్. ఆ తప్పుకి ఇదే ప్రజలు ఇచ్చిన లెసన్ అడిగి.
Chandrababu Naidu has faced personal attacks.
నా భార్య రాజకీయాలకు రాలేదు. ఒక్కొక్కసారి
He has been to jail. And after a 5-year-long struggle to stay relevant, Chandrababu Naidu makes a comeback, and how? Bureau Report, India Today. Let's take this back across to Apurva Jayachandran for more details. It's been, of course, a struggle for Chandrababu Naidu right up until this point. A heated political campaign, all, of course, that's culminated in that resounding mandate for the Telugu Desam Party. But just shifting back to what's expected tomorrow, Apurva, you're going to have Prime Minister Modi there, Home Minister Amit Shah. It's going to be a grand ceremony that's not happening as planned in Amaravati, but rather in Gannavaram. But there are questions also about what the cabinet will look like right now. Obviously, the lion's share will be with the TDP, but the Janasena, BJP, are they bargaining hard?
Well, definitely the talks are ongoing right now regarding the seat sharing and the ministerial berth there. We are hearing that it's going to be, 19 as well as 3 to 4 seats for the Janasena and then 2 for BJP. That's what the seat sharing talks are currently standing at. Most likely, Pawan Kalyan will be getting the Deputy Chief Minister's position, but that hasn't yet been confirmed by the Janasena or the Telugu Desam Party. That's what we're hearing as well. The BJP is is quite interesting to see because, they have set forth a set of demands there. But overall, Akshita, the three parties are looking for stability for Andhra Pradesh. That's what their demands are most in the ministerial berth, and who will be getting which cabinet. All leaders from all three parties, be it the Janasena, be it the Telugu Desam, or be it the Bharatiya Janata Party, they are looking for, Andhra Pradesh and the overall development. What kind of funds can be brought into Andhra Pradesh? That's their first priority, is what we are hearing. In fact, tomorrow it's going to be 11:27. That's the auspicious time that has been given for the Janasena, the Telugu Desam as well. 11:27 is the auspicious time that has been given for Nara Chandrababu Naidu to be sworn in as the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. That's what, and preparations are also going on. This is right near Gannavaram there. So it's going to be, interesting to see what is going to be the swearing-in ceremony that is taking place. Senior leaders from the NDA alliance have also been called in for this. In fact, Prime Minister Modi is expected to come. Union Home Minister Amit Shah is expected to land this evening, and also will be likely to meet with Nara Chandrababu Naidu at his residence in Undavali later this evening. That's what we are hearing as well. Discussions will take place between both these leaders, Amit Shah and Chandrababu Naidu, later on this evening. And also most likely the seat sharing talks and who's going to be the who of Andhra Pradesh cabinet, that's going to be decided and out later this evening.
All right.